Anyone under the influence of any witchcraft attack, let it be broken. Let it be broken. The deliverance power of God enter into any house, into any family compound where something was buried. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Deliverance power of God. Anyone that sent an arrow of mental sickness, let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. I join my faith with your faith. Deliverance power of God. Look at anyone who they said there will be a reinforcement of negativity. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Deliverance power of God. Look at anyone who is alive, but their favor is buried. Their joy is buried. Their evidence is buried. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Deliverance power of God. Look at anyone where there has been a destiny exchange, where there has been a glory exchange. In a let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Deliverance power of God. Look at anyone where something is crawling around their body. Crawling around their body. Crawling around their body. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Deliverance power of God. Look at anyone. They gave a wrong identity. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. 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 Somebody shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Say today. 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 I hear the Lord say unto me, say to my career, say to my children, come out. 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 Jerry. Come out. Jerry. Come out. Jerry. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Say today, by the wonders of the Roy, I announce enough is enough. Enough has to be enough. Say today, I announce the Lord brought them out of Egypt with a mighty hand, with an outstretched arm, with great terribleness and signs and wonders. Say the Lord brought them out. They came 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 out. Say, hear me as I announce. I and every member of my family, wherever you are, that does not look like God, no matter how many years you have been there, God of wonders, God of perfection, I announce every one of them right now. Come out, come out, 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 now, 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 fire, 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 fire. Open your mouth. out. Let your emerge. Let your emerge. Let your emerge. Lift up your two hands. This is the week of our 10 ministers. The week of our 10 ministers. As you observe the 10 ministers this week, the sound of your emerge. May the battle turn against your enemies. May the battle turn against them. May the battle turn against them. Right now. Right now. Number 2. As you dance to the God of all flesh. I know you have heard about it. The thing that is called instant evidence. Instant miracle. Sudden turn around. Let it be your portion. Let it be a portion. As you dance, I announce, iron gate. By this I mean stubborn challenges. The sound of your email, let them open. Let them open. As you dance for this 10 minutes, I announce all throughout this week, let there be an alignment. 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 Let your image now. As you dance this week, the sound of your image, let the Lord stop it at the source. Let the Lord stop it at the source. Let the Lord stop it at the source. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. As you dance to the honor of the Almighty, what you are afraid of will not happen. What you are afraid of will not happen. What you are afraid of will not happen. As you dance in honor of the Lord, I announce, with every of your dance step, let angels move ahead. Let angels move ahead. Let angels move ahead. As you dance to the praise of the Almighty, the Lord is bringing it nearer than you pray. Closer than you desire. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. As you dance, I announce, Ephata. 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 As you dance, I announce, let stubborn challenges be reversed. Let them be reversed. Let them be reversed. Right now. 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 I announce your best days have started. 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 Right now. Right now. I don't know why we need to do this time. If you can't touch the ground wherever you are, and declare, oh, hear me as I hear the Lord. You will not receive my body or the bodies of my loved ones until I say so. Turn down, my blood will not be spilled on you. My flesh will not be scattered on you. My bones will not be broken on you until I say so. Turn down, I declare the word of the Lord that has been swallowed up in victory. Let me hear you shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire.